y'all, today is a first for me and I'm really excited. I'm going to learn how to use a bandsaw. So here we go. We are cutting a section off of this VelociRax bike rack. It's a little too long for us to open the coffin on our truck bed that we've been working on.
They don't know what the coffin is.
Oh, we'll have to show you that later. But right now, I'm excited to use the bandsaw. So safety first. Glasses on. And again, this is my first time, so patience, please. Gonna line it up. And I got a step stool here. Hang on, let me get on here. All right.
You gotta put it over there, against it.
Against it, I gotta line it up. Okay, so I'm learning, so make it square. Is that what I'm doing?
Yeah, and put that against the...
I feel like, I mean, pick it up a little further. Is that not right? Is now check me. I'm in the spot. Turn it on.
Pull the safety and then pull the trigger.
What was the safety?
Right here.
Push it in.
And pull the trigger.
I feel like that took a hot minute, but I guess that was good. All right, next we're gonna line up the next one. All right, see if I can do it myself this time. Feel like I'm square. All right, check me. All right, here we go. Ready? Pull it. Safety.
I think we need to look at this one first.
Okay, let's check it out.
Because
my little crooked, well,
it's very crooked.
Okay, so we gotta do a better job on this one.
Yeah.
Being straighter.
So I'm gonna have a very difficult time welding this up, so I'm gonna have to grind that one down. So let's try to follow the lines. But
I was crooked the first time.
yeah, maybe you did it in an S, kind of. So.
Oh, I see it. I see that it's kind of.
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
These have like a reader in them, so I need to actually use the reader.
So
okay. All right. Let's see if I can get it lined up better.
How about
maybe you do this one?
Yeah. How about maybe?
How about so that you can weld easier? But it was very easy to use. Maybe because I couldn't see very good. Oh well.
Okay.
Right. I'll record you doing it this time. All right. Next. Oh yeah, that's a little bit crooked. Well, he's quite a bit straighter than me, to say the least.
I have enough room to put that square on.
Hold on. Hold on, he says. See those?
Okay, so that's mine.
Yeah. Are you really going to compare? I don't know that we should.
Yeah, it's not bad for a first time. So we can grind that down.
All right. So now, after my virgin bandsaw cut was a little bit crooked, he has ground it down nice and smooth, and we've got it squared up and bound up here. And he's ground it down on an angle, so when he does the weld, it'll penetrate down in between the two pieces that we're welding back together, and then he'll give him room to smooth that weld off. And now I'm going to try to learn how to weld some. Okay. Now we have it all welded up, and all we have to do is grind it down and prime and paint it.
Got a little buildup on this side. The rest penetrated really well. So we'll get her ground down and primed up and see how it goes.
All right, so we are welded, grinded, primed, and painted, and ready to go back on the truck. This VelociRax is amazing. We've had multiple bike racks, and for the 5 of us, this is the easiest bike rack to use. It bends, it folds, it's easy to unload and load. Even the girls can load it. It's a piece of cake. Highly recommend this VelociRax.
Strong.
It is super strong. The bikes don't touch each other. You don't have to worry about if you have a super nice bike next to your, kid's bike. It's not gonna rub. It's great, fantastic. So we are gonna load it back on the truck into the hitch, and then we will show you the coffin that I alluded to earlier. So, all right. So now we got the VelociRax back on the truck. It's mounted into our slot right here. You can tell it's not shaky, it's very sturdy, and you can load it from this position, or you can detach the latch, pull it towards you, which makes it a little lower, a little easier to mount, depending on your space. The kids can load it easy this way because it makes it a lot shorter. So I'm going to load it, I'm going to beat it back up. I'm going to load this bike, just show you how easy it is. Come around on this side, handbrake. It up, raise the leg, and lift into the slot, and adjust accordingly. You can tell there's going to be enough space once we load all 5 bikes, but we'll show you what it looks like when it's all finished.
You want to show them how to load it with it down?
I'll do it on the next one. Okay. So now I want to show you, I forgot, to show you why we shortened this whole loading system 5 inches, is so we can show you the coffin. The coffin is this tool bed that Mark has made into the truck bed, and we're using it for a lot of storage. It will eventually have, what do you call them? We needed the space to raise up the lid. So we got some storage under here, belly of the truck, drop it down. But that is the whole purpose, what we did our job today for, was shortening it 5 inches. It gives us a lot more space to raise the lid when we're hauling bikes. So I'm going to load the rest of the bikes, and we'll show you the finished project. Okay, in order to show you guys this feature of the VelociRax in the tilt position, we've moved the first bike over to the right, and now Mark is going to hand me the bikes from below, and I'm going to load it. So you can see how much easier it is to load when the rack is tilted. Do you want this one where? We're only loading 4 bikes today. We actually have 5, but our youngest daughter likes to ride hers, so we'll leave the space for hers. I'll load these on this end. One more. Hit the hole. There we go. Got this one crooked. Give me just a second. Distracted. That's not right.
I thought you said the bikes didn't touch together.
It's totally my fault. This is operator error.
How many times have you loaded these bikes?
Once.
Really?
A long time ago when we first got the rack. So, alright, I'm gonna ask for some guidance. Go ahead, Mark, and tell me what I need to do.
I think you just figured it out.
Okay. Alright, and then we'll just buckle on. There you go.
Can you push it all the way up now?
Oh, yeah. It's a mistake. No problem.
You don't have to do that.
I don't. I just pushed it.
Well, like I said, how many times have you done this?
One time, a long time ago.
Have you?
Yeah, once.
Okay, just push it. Hey.
This is heavy now. I'm just a weakling. This is so heavy. Okay, 1, 2, let's see here. Where can I get the most leverage?
Probably where you were at.
That's what I was thinking. That's why I came there. 1, 2, 3.
Go.
I can't.
Yes, you can. You don't lack much. Go.
I know I can't. I work out for stuff like this. I can totally do this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I can't. I'm wiping too hard. Okay. Okay. I just want to pull it. You're going to have to do it for me. I can't do it.
I'm not going to do it for you. You can do it.
I'm just a girl.
It's up and in. It's not that hard.
Okay.
Now push it in. Keep going. Keep going. Up and in.
I can't do it. Like, I can't.
Let's see those biceps one more time.
Show me how to do it. Show me.
It's just like that, folks. One swift push.
One arm she did it. I did it with both, and I'm nasty.
So,
All over.
it's really not that hard.
What can I say?
What
They're
can you
just
say?
for looks.
All right. You got anything to close this video with?
Thank you for watching. We love the bike rack. Typically it's super easy, but it's easy for him, not me.